Hi everyone. Today I will be talking about working with constantly changing data sources. Here we have a very basic file which has only two fields A and B. If we double click on the transform object, you'll see the mapping. It is very basic. However, if we open another file called BA, you can see that fields order is different now. And if we click on the transformer, we have to remap it. This is very simple thing to do for a very small data set. But if you have, say for example, 100 fields, that will take a lot of time and effort. Let's click cancel and open the original file again. This problem can be easily addressed by using field sorter transformation function. You just double click on it. You see we have original field order and a new order. And the transformer looks perfectly normal. Let's open BA file again. So we have now different field order. Just double click on transformer. Everything is working absolutely fine, so there is no need to remap. And if we click on fields order, we'll see that new order is different now. Even if we open a file which has 3 fields. Transformer is still working as expected. Thank you for your time. Please like or subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please post them on our support forum. We would be happy to assist. Thank you. Bye.